remember, kids, don't use sharp knives, because you'll slay yourself on accident. Well, first, let's get some peanut butter for the jelly sandwich. For the peanut butter part, and spread it onto the sandwich. Wait, spread it on the whole thing, and then I'll show you how it is when it's done. This is how I'm doing for now. I'm going up, you see? Now I go down. So if you're making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich right now, follow my video. And these are actual facts. You see the little holes in peanut butter? That shows the sugar is spreading on the bread. The peanut butter has sugar because people put a lot of sugar in peanut butter when it was made. So we have to make the peanut butter nice and smooth so we can make it good. A little bit more bread. So we'll do a little bit more sliding across the bread. These are actual facts, guys. So you need to use a peanut butter slide. And if you want, you can take the peanut butter off. That's what you do with your clean bread. Now, lick your knife so it's clean by the jelly, because the other bread will not be good with the jelly. Now, let's put some jelly. Put some jelly on the bread. Woo. It's really hard. I only got one piece on. Ugh. Oh, there. Okay, let's spread the jelly. You see the jelly is much thicker. It shows the Jello performance. That's why we do it up and down of jelly. First we go up on the sandwich. Look. Then the other part goes this way on the... No. Then the other part goes this way on the sandwich. And then we go this way on the sandwich. We need to spread it a little over here on the side. Here's our jelly. Okay. We can lift the jelly off now. Now we put it in the sink. Put this back in the fridge. And put the lid on the peanut butter. Put it in the counter. And you'll see if the two pieces are good. Now we put the two pieces together. We need some peanut butter and a little slice of jelly. You need a knife. Oh. It's under me. See? No biggie. That's no biggie. So, this. Now on the menu. What's that little eye? A little nether eye. A little nether eye right here. Oh la la. Put it in the fridge. Then add the peanut butter. Do. Finger in. Put her little finger in. Put the smiley face on the sandwich. Well, it shouldn't work like such a. But now, look at the bread. Do you think it's a nice piece of bread? That's how you make peanut butter and jelly delights. Bye.